If you came across a sick stray cat, would you spend your money to help heal it, or would you ignore it and move on? This stray cat was very sick, lying in a corner, seemingly waiting for its last breath. Due to a snowstorm, all the roads were shutting down, making it nearly impossible to take the cat to the vet by car. The person who found the cat had no choice but to walk through the storm to get the cat to the vet in time. The weather was freezing, and the snowstorm grew stronger at times. But finally, they reached the vet just in time to save the cat's life. A few weeks later, the once sick cat looked healthy and was happily enjoying a meal of wet cat food. If you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment, you'll be helping to save more stray cats like this one.